Hello and welcome to today's math lesson. So first of all guys, can we all turn to wave and say a big hello to our friends on camera. Hello. And we'll begin by doing our meditation sequence. So I will sit down, take 2 fingers, find our heart center, left hand on our laps and close our eyes. Excellent guys, and when you're ready you can open your eyes. And now we can stand up and push in our chairs to do our stretch sequence. So let's begin by stretching up high to the sky, high as we can. And then we can go down low, touch our toes. And then let's go up high one more time. And this time, can we go tippy toe high? And while we're there, let's have a wave side to side. And then back down to touch our toes. And now stand up. And let's have a shake, guys. Arms and legs, shake it out. Shake it out. And now hands on hips. And we'll have a wiggle. Stop. Another wiggle. Stop. Forwards, backwards, forwards, backwards, forwards, backwards, and stop. And now we'll go round and round. Round and round. Stop. And then back the other way. Round and round the other way. Give our spines a nice stretch. Excellent, guys. And to finish, we'll do 5 claps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Brilliant, guys. Have a seat. Okay, so in our previous math lesson, we learned more how to use this sign. Subtraction. Yes, we learned how to use subtraction. So let's write that word on the board one more time. How do we spell subtraction, guys? S-U-B-T-R-A-C-T-I-O-N. Subtraction. And remember, sometimes you might hear the word minus. I-N-U-S. Subtraction and minus both mean the same thing. And in the previous math lesson, we learned how to subtract with 3 large numbers. Not 1, not 2, but 3 large numbers. And how we're going to begin this lesson is to have a recap. And we're going to have one of our students demonstrate the 2-step process of using subtraction with 3 large numbers. But first of all, guys, we need 3 large numbers on the board. So, who can give me some numbers? We'll start with 2. 2, 9, 7, comma, 8, 8, 6, 5. Okay, so that's our first large number. How many digits? 6 digits. Minus, some more digits, please, guys. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. And now for our third and final digit. Nadia began with 8, I believe. 8. 7. 3. 2. 1. Okay. So we've got one 6-digit number, a 5-digit number, and another 5-digit number. We've got 297,865. And then we need to subtract 34,567. And I see what you guys did, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then our final number, 87,321. Excellent, guys. So what I need now, I need a student to come forward and demonstrate how to correctly subtract these 3 numbers. So can we close our eyes, please? And let's see who can go first. Okay, so now one of our students has a pen. It's Pak Bung. Pak Bung, can you come to the front of class, please? Okay, now Pak Bung is going to demonstrate the 2-step process by which we can correctly subtract these numbers. So remembering step 1, guys, we use these 2 numbers. So Pak Bung, can you do your subtraction table with these 2 numbers? Remembering place value. 97,865. Perfect. And then the number we're subtracting, 34,567. Now let's see. Now that's excellent because Pak Bung has correctly remembered about place value. There's no 6 digits here, so we need a space. So all the numbers are now aligned correctly. So let's begin with our subtraction. Always remember, start with the 1s. 5 minus 7. Can we do? No. What do we need to do? Borrow. So 6 becomes 5. And 5 becomes 15. So 15 minus 7, guys, equals 8. Okay, so we have our answer for that column. Then 5 minus 6. We need to borrow again, Nadia, well done. 7, and then 5 becomes 15. So now, 15 minus 6 equals 9. Now 7 minus 5 we can do equals 2. What comes next, guys? After 3 digits we need comma.
7 minus 4
equals 3.
9 minus 3 equals 6.
And then 2 minus nothing equals 2. Perfect. So we've got our answer for step 1, guys. Altogether, 287,865. 298. Brilliant. We're halfway there, but we're not finished because we still need to subtract our third number. So now, Pak Bung will carry on with the second step. 263,298 minus 87,321. Perfect. Again, Pak Bung has done very well with place value because 5 digits and 6 will leave a space here. So now 8 minus 1 equals 7. 9 minus 2 equals 7. Now 2 minus 3, we need to borrow. So 3 becomes 2 and 2 becomes 12. So now 12 minus 3 equals 9. Then comma, well done. 2 minus 7. No, what do we need to do? Borrow. Perfect. So now 12 minus 7. 5, well done. 5. 5 minus 8? No, we need to borrow. So 5 becomes 15, 8 becomes 7. So 15 minus 8 equals 7. And now we're left with our 1 in the 100,000s column. So now we've got our final answer. And our final answer is 175,977. You can see by using the 3 digits, step 1 to subtract first, and then taking the answer and subtracting the final number, we can have our final answer. And Pak Bung, that was brilliant. High five and a big round of applause for Pak Bung, please, guys. And now, in today's lesson, we're going to move on. We're still going to be using the minus sign or subtraction, but as well as that, we'll also be going to do signs that use this sign. Remember this sign? Plus or addition. Now, does anybody know what do we call mathematical equations that involve subtraction and addition? There's a special term we use because we have to subtract and add. They're called, ready guys? Combined operations. Yes, combined operations means that part of the equation will be subtraction, but then the next part will be addition. So we have to combine, and that's what we're going to do now. So we have a PowerPoint presentation for our students to observe and work out too the calculations involving combined operations. So let's turn to look at the TV screen, please, guys. So let's take a look at our PowerPoint presentation, combined operations. Lesson number 1. For combined operations, always do the sum in brackets first. Very important. You see these here, guys, these symbols are what we call brackets. So in combined operations, there'll be one part of the sum that's in brackets. That's always the sum to do first. For example, here we have our combined operation. 298,236 minus 15,853. But then plus 39,840. This is what we call combined operation because it involves subtraction and addition. And remember, guys, the part of the sum that's in brackets is always the one to do first. So step one, we need to organize. We need to do our table. And our table will look like this. Remembering about place value, a 6-digit number and then a 5-digit number. And step one, we will do the ones. So 6 minus 3 equals 3. 3 minus 5, can we do?
Borrow.
We need to borrow. So 3 becomes 13
13 minus 5
equals 8. And then 2 minus 8
No.
cannot do. We need to borrow. So now the 2 that became a 1 is 11. 11 minus 8 equals 3. Now, after our third digit, what do we need, guys? Comma. 8 minus 5 equals, 7 minus 5 because we borrow. 7 minus 5 equals 2. And then the 10,000s, 9 minus 1 equals 8. Now, what do you notice about the 6th digit? Is there anything to take away? Nothing to subtract. So we see the 2. And all we do is we just write the 2 again in our answer. So our answer for step 1, 298,236 minus 15,853 equals 282,383. Everybody agree? I see some of you guys working out with your pencils. Everybody have that amount? Okay. So now we're ready for step 2. And this time, we're not going to be subtracting. What will we be doing? Plus addition. So we take our answer for step 1, and then we add the final number. So now, the next equation for step 2, 282,383 plus 39,840. So, step 1, always beginning with the ones, 3 plus 0 equals 3. 8 plus 4 equals 12. So what do we write in the tens column? 2. Carry over the 1. You see? So now 3 plus 1 equals 4, and 4 plus 8 equals 12. So again, we have to carry over because we're adding. And now we have 1 plus 2 equals 3. And then 3 plus 9 equals 12. Excellent. So you can see each time it's 2. And we're carrying over the 1. 8 plus 1 plus 3 equals 12. So again, we write the 2 and carry 1. And then our final digit, 2 plus 1 equals 3. And now we have our final answer to our combined operation. 322,383 223. Everybody agree? Any more answers? No. Okay. So now we have our final answer, and we can speak our combined operation sum complete. 298,236 minus 15,853 plus 39,840 equals 322,223. And that's how we do our combined operations, guys. Always remembering the sum or the part of the equation in brackets is the first part to do. Any questions? That was brilliant. Well done, guys. Welcome back to class. We hope your students enjoyed the PowerPoint presentation about beginning to understand how to do combined operations. Remembering that with combined operations, they'll be part of a sum in brackets, and that's always the part to do first, whether it be on the left or the right side of the equation. And we're going to do a flash exercise soon for our students to practice some more. But for now, guys, time for our stretch sequence. So let's stand up and push in our chairs. And for this sequence, we'll do some rotations. We'll go left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. And next we'll do 5 stretches to our right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent. And now we'll do 5 stretches to our left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent. Now let's have a shake, guys. Arms and legs, shake it out. Shake it out. And now let's take our right hand and touch our left foot. Then left foot, left hand, and right foot. Right hand, left foot. Left hand, right foot. And final couple now. Right hand, left foot. Left hand, right foot. Okay, and to finish, guys, we're going to do 5 star jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Brilliant, guys. Have a seat. And now it's time for our flashcard part of the lesson. So teachers, what you need to do in preparation is print off the flash sheet for the lesson and cut each of the combined operations into different sums. And then fold them and put them into a bowl or tray. And we're going to have our students come forward, choose a combined operation and work it out on the board. So first of all, we need our bowl. So here we have our bowl and we have some sums. First of all, I would like to invite Prel. I would like to invite student Prel to come forward and choose a combined operation. There you go. Okay. And first of all, you can show it to your friends. So we have 1,258,100 minus 214,357 plus 600 and 41,687. So now we'll ask Prel to write this combined operation on the board. And I will hold this for you. So 1,258,100. Comma, and then 100. Excellent. Minus. And you can do minus. And then open brackets. 214,357 plus 641,687. Excellent, Prel. And then close brackets. So guys, remembering back to the PowerPoint presentation, which is the first part of the sum to do first? In brackets. So Prel, step 1, can you do a table to correctly add them numbers together? 2, 1, 4, comma, 3, 5, 7. Plus 6, 6, 4, 1, 6, 8, 7. Excellent, Prel. So now we're ready for step 1, the addition part. So guys, we always start with the ones. 7 plus 7 equals 14. So we write 4, carry the 1. 1 plus 5 equals 6. 6 plus 8, 14. Well done, Prel. So write the 4, carry the 1. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 6, 10. So we'll write 0 and we'll carry the 1. And then comma, because we're into the thousands. 1 plus 4 plus 1 equals 6. Then 1 plus 4 again, 5. And finally, in the hundred thousands column, 2 plus 6 equals 8. Excellent. Brilliant, Prel. So we're halfway there. We have our first answer. 856,044. But we're not finished yet. Now we need to subtract 1,258,100. Perfect. And then we take this figure away. 4, 4, 0, comma, 6, 5, 8. Brilliant. Remembering about place value. We've got a 7-digit number and a 6-digit number. So we have to make sure place value is correct. So now, 0 minus 4 equals 0. 0 minus 4. We need to borrow. But we can't borrow from here, so we need to borrow from this column. So that becomes 0, that becomes 10, and then 9, and then 1. Perfect. So 10 minus 4 equals 6. 9 minus 4 equals 5. 0 minus 0 equals 0. 8 minus 6 equals 2. 5 minus 5, 2 minus 8, borrow. So 1 becomes 0, 2 becomes 12. 12 minus 8 equals 4. And now we've got 0 here, we don't need to include. Or you can write 0. Excellent, Prel. So now we have our final answer to our combined operation. 400 and
2,056.
2,056. And this is how we correctly work out combined operations, always remembering the sum in brackets to do first. Preo, that was brilliant. High five and a big round of applause for Preo, guys. Time for our next student. But first of all, I'll clean the board. And now I would like to invite student Bangpon to join me at the front of class. Bangpon can now work out the next combined operation. Okay, so first of all, show it to your friends. We have 367,510 minus 174,356 plus 37,547. So first of all, we'll write this on the board. So I'll hold for you, Bangpon, and then you can write it all. So open brackets, 3, 6, 7, comma, 5, 1, 0, minus 1, 7, 4, 3, 5, 6, close brackets, plus, yep, you can write your plus symbol, and then 37,547. Excellent, Bangpon, well done. So guys, where do we begin? Always begin in brackets. So our first sum will be 367, here you go, 367,510 minus 174, and then comma, 356, 356. Excellent. So now we're ready for step 1. 0 minus 6, we need to borrow. So 1 becomes 0, 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 6 equals 4. 0 minus 5, need to borrow. Well done, Bangpon. So 10 minus 5 equals 5. And 4 minus 3 equals 1. Comma, well done. 7 minus 4 equals 3. 6 minus 7, borrow. So 2, and then 6 becomes 16. 16 minus 7. 16 minus 7 equals 9. Well done, Nadia. And then 2 minus 1 equals 1. Bangpon, excellent. So now we're at the end of step 1. We have 193,154. And now we need to add 37547. Okay, Bangpon's doing it already. 4 plus 7, 11. 1 plus 5 is 6, plus 4, 10. 3 plus 7, 10. So 0, carry the 1. 9 plus 1 plus 3, 13. Perfect. And Bangpon's done it very quickly. So now we have our complete answer to the combined operation. Our final answer, 230,701. And that's how we do another combined operation. Bangpon, that was excellent. High five and a big round of applause for Bangpon, guys. So teachers, you can see the activity that we're doing in our classroom, and our students have demonstrated how to do the combined operations. You can pause the video and do the same activity with your students in your class for around 10 minutes or so. And remember to change the students each time and have the entire class speaking. And we're going to play some more here. But first of all, I need to clean the board. And now I would like to invite Lakau. Please come and join me at the front. Lakau can work out our next combined operation. So Lakau, can you pick a sum out of the bowl? Thank you. Show it to your friends. So we have 654,000. 289 plus 787,254 minus 657,899. Excellent, guys. So Lakau, can you write this combined operation on the board? So first of all, 654, comma, 289 plus, open brackets, well done, 787, comma, 254 minus 657, comma, 899, and then close brackets. So guys, remembering back to the PowerPoint presentation, which part of the sum must we do first? In brackets. Even if the brackets are on the right-hand side, we'll always begin with this equation. So Lakau, can you begin with this equation? 787, comma, 254 minus 657, comma, 899. Perfect. Well done, Lakau. So you can see 2 6-digit numbers, we don't need to worry about place value. So 4 minus 9, guys, we need to borrow. So 5 will become 4, and 4 will become 14. Equals 5. Brilliant. 4 minus 9. Need to borrow again. So 2 becomes 1. 1 becomes 14. 14 minus 9 equals 5. Well done, Lakau. 1 minus 8? Cannot do. Borrow again. 7 becomes 6. 1 becomes 11. 11 minus 8 equals 3. Well done. And then after our third digit, comma. 6 minus 7? Borrow again. 8 becomes 7. 6 becomes 16. 16 minus 7 equals 9. 7 minus 5 equals 2. 7 minus 6 equals 1. Like how brilliant. So we now have our answer for step 1. 129,355. But we're not finished yet. What's the next part of the equation? Plus addition. Excellent. So 6, or you can do 129 first, comma, 355 plus 6 and 54,000. Perfect. Now we're ready for step 2, and this time addition. So 5 plus 9, 14. So we write 4, carry the 1. 1 plus 5 plus 8, 14. So write 4 again, carry the 1. 1 plus 3, 4. Plus 2, equals 6. Excellent, Lackow. 9 plus 4. 13. So we write 3, carry the 1. 1 plus 2 plus 5 equals 8. And finally, 1 plus 6. Excellent. So, Lackow, we've now got our complete answer to our combined operation. 783,644. Lackow, that was brilliant. High five and a big round of applause for Lackow, please, guys. A big round of applause for everybody doing a great job. Well done. And now it's time for our worksheet part of the lesson. So similar to the flash activity, our students have a series of 5 combined operations to work out. Always remembering, guys, start with the equation in brackets first, and you can show your working in the space provided. But what's the first thing to do? Names on top. Well done. And give our students around 10 to 12 minutes for this activity, because it involves some working out. And teachers, just monitor the class, help them with anything they need. So Chu, this one's for you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Pat, here's yours. You're welcome. Nadia, for you. You're welcome. Net, for you. Lackow, here's yours. Preu, for you.
Thank you, teacher.
You're welcome. And Bangpon, for you. And this one for Dan. So guys, names on top, and then work your way through the combined operations. Remember, brackets, always the sum to do in first. And if you need any help, let me know. I can use the board. So Chu, that one's for you. Name on top. Excellent, Ned. Well done. That's the first one to do. We'll add these two together. Step 1, always in brackets. Seven, 6, 3. Well done. And then we can work out. So 3 plus 3, 6. Well done, Bang Bon. Excellent, guys. Good to see you're working out. Showing your working shows that you understand. It's very hard just to work everything out in our head with combined operations. Well done, Lackow. Nadia? Brilliant. Well done, Chu. So the first one always in brackets. So we'll add these two together and then minus this one. Excellent, Ned. Then we minus this number. Well done. So 6 minus 5? 1. Well done. So then 12 minus 8 4. Brilliant, guys. Great to see you're working out. Okay, so this is the final one. So we'll add these two together first. That's okay. So number 2. Yes. A minus, yes. That's excellent, well done. Welcome back to class. We hope your students enjoyed the worksheet activity where they had to work their way through the combined operations and provide the answers by showing their working out. And remember, it's a 2-step process, always doing the equation in brackets first. And my students all did an excellent job, so well done, guys. And that's all we've got time for today. So we hope you've enjoyed the lesson and also learned a little bit more about combined operations and how to addition and subtraction in the same sum. And we'll see you again soon for the next lesson. So can we turn to wave and say goodbye, guys? Bye-bye. See you again soon.